Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Adjustments and final accounts compilation. Another example, the trial balance as on 31st March 2015 is shown as debit side, debit sundry debtors 50,000, cash in hand 2,000, furniture 3,500, motor car 15,000, purchases is 1,25,000, sales return is 2,500, salary is 8,000, opening stock is 10,000, motor car expenses 6,500, rent and taxes 1,000, insurance 2,500, cash at bank 4,000, machinery 25,000, wages 23,000, general expenses 4,500, carriage inward 2,000, carriage outward 1,500, power and fuel 6,000, drawing account 8,000. The total debits is 3 lakhs. The credit side is creditors 64,000, sales is 2,16,000, capital is 20,000. So the total credits is 3 lakhs. Adjustments to be made. Free samples costing 5,000 distributed. Rupees 1,000 paid for machinery erection was debited to wages account. Write off further bad debts rupees 2,000. Provision for bad debts at 10% of sundry debtors, depreciation of furniture and machinery at 15% and motor car at 20%. Commission income outstanding rupees 3,000. Insurance premium includes 500 paid for personal insurance of proprietor. 50% of motor car expenses and depreciation is being charged to proprietor's account. Closing stock was valued at 37,000 as on March 2016. So from the above figures, we first compile the trading account for the year 31st March 2016. The credit side is sales 2,16,000 minus returns 2,500, so that comes to 2,13,500. Goods distributed as sample is credited 5,000 by reducing sales and by closing stock 37,000. In the debit side is opening stock 10,000, purchases is 1,25,000, wages is 23,000, to which the machinery expenses capitalized is reduced by 1,000, so that comes to 22,000. The carriage inward is 2,000, power and fuel is 6,000. So the difference from credit side and debit side is 90,500, which is the gross profit carried to profit and loss account. Now we compile profit and loss account for the year. In the credit side is gross profit brought forward from trading account is 90,500 and commission receivable is 3,000. And in the debit side is salary 8,000, car expenses of which 50% is debited to proprietor, so that comes to, and so only 3,250 is charged to the business. Rent and taxes 1,000, insurance 2,500, to which 500 is reduced for personal insurance of proprietor, so that comes to 2,000. General expenses 4,500, carriage outward is 1,500, advertisement, that is free sample, is 5,000, which is reduced from the trading account. To bad debts is 2,000, provision for bad debts is 4,800, and depreciation on machinery is 3,900, and furniture 525, and car 1,500. The depreciation to car 50% is charged to the business and the 50% is charged to personal expenses. So the net profit is 55,525, which is carried to balance sheet to the capital account of the proprietor. Now we compile balance sheet from the above figures. In the liability side is capital 20,000, to which 55,525 being the net profit carried from profit and loss account is added, to which reduced is drawings 8,000, personal insurance is 5,000, and personal car expenses 3,250. 50% of the expenses, 50% is charged to business and 50% is charged to personal account. Also 50% of the depreciation of car, that is 1500, is charged to personal account. So that the capital account comes to 62,275. Sundry creditors is 64,000. In the asset side is furniture 3,500, to its depreciation at the rate of 15% is charged, amounting to 525. So the WDV value is 2,975. Motor car 15,000 less 15 depreciation 20,000 is 3,000. Machinery 25,000 plus erection charges 1,000 capitalized, so that comes to 26,000, and depreciation is provided on 26,000 at the rate of 15%, so that comes to 3,900. So the WDV is 22,100. Sundry debtors 15,000 minus bad debts is 2,000, so the net sundry debtors is 48,000, on which provision for bad debts at the rate of 10% is provided, amounting to 4,800. So the net sundry debtors amount is 43,200. Closing stock is 37,000. Commission outstanding is 3,000. Cash in hand is 2,000. Cash at bank is 4,000. So the total of debit and credit is 1,26,275. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.